Do you need an inexpensive solar web camera for your backyard or property? Give me 30 seconds and I'll tell you about this one. This is the Anora 4K webcam. So it just bolts really easily. Got this cool little bracket so I can adjust the angle. Comes with a solar panel, which connects to a USB port down on the bottom. And it is really impressive for the price. Here is the web interface of the Anora Aurora 4K webcam. So as you saw, it's really simple to plug in and install. And this is what the app looks like. So you can have multiple. So here we are live. We hit play. We've got snapshot functionality. We can hot record video. The amazing thing about this is the low light capability, and I'll pull up that video here in just a second. But you can obviously have multiple cameras in your yard. We've got 32 gigs of onboard storage, so you can see I've been playing with this for a couple of days. These are all the different motion events, and I'll go through them in just a second. Battery's at 100%. The solar panel's keeping it charged. I've got audio video settings, record duration. It does have two-way audio. You've got a microphone and a speaker in it, so you can do two-way audio. You can turn that on and off. You've got all these different motion detection settings. You can have it just pick motion or people or pets. I strongly recommend that you do a motion area, so this will cut out things around the background or birds flying, whatever. So this lets you mask a motion mapped area from here to over here. Events for today, event distribution throughout the day. And you can go back in time and see events from previous days. So a lot of really cool functionality for $99. What is the most amazing thing about this is the low light. Let me back up here. So it does have white LEDs that will kick on as a spotlight. But this video is taken at 1 o'clock in the morning in my suburban neighborhood. And that video is pretty usable. And you understand, this was 1 o'clock in the morning. And my backyard was pitch dark. Now you can see that there are some lights from the neighbor's house off to the side, but they're like Christmas lights. It's really not very much. My backyard was totally dark. And that is really impressive. The other really neat thing about this product is the setup. It's actually pretty smart. So you associate your phone to the camera with Bluetooth first, and then you load in your Wi-Fi settings, and then you disconnect, you download the app, and then the camera pops up. You do have to register an email address to download the app, which is a little annoying, but most people have a throwaway email. If not, I recommend mail.com. It's what I use for quick and easy, simple email addresses for stuff like this. Hotmail, spare Gmail, whatever. I use mail.com. The one thing I was a little disappointed with is that this is 2.4 gig Wi-Fi only, not 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. But, you know, for the amount of bandwidth that this thing is using, it's okay. And 2.4's got better penetration anyway to get from my house into my backyard. The compression on this thing is really good. You can see on the app it's using like 300K, which is nothing. So 4K resolution at a really high compression rate means you get a big image, but not a lot of bandwidth. So this has been running for a couple of days now, and I haven't had any problems at all. The battery's never gotten below like 90%. Now I do have the motion detection settings turned up relatively high because there's not much going on in my backyard. So if you have it on a front patio or something like that where again it's going to be firing more frequently, then you know that might be a little more aggressive. But got my solar panel screwed to my shelf, and that direction is south. That's important that you try to get as much south facing sunlight as possible. But from out of the box to watching video took me like less than 5 minutes. You know, it's been rained on and held up just fine. And that nighttime video is just absolutely unbelievable. So this is my first outdoor webcam. I've got a Wise that I've been using inside to watch the cats for a couple of years, but I have a lot of video experience in the real world, and this is really impressive, particularly for 99 bucks. It's available on Amazon or direct. Check the link down below. But this was a 5-minute setup, and now I can watch the bunny rabbits in my backyard. So thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one.